What is up, everyone? This is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. We already know about this Oxygenos latest build for the Poco X3 users. In my case, I've installed it on my Poco X3, which is based on Android version 10 with the security patch of 1st of January 2021. This one is based on Android version 10. Some users were expecting Android version 11, but still, if it is Android version 10, it's quite good. I'm using for some time. I have the list of features which are working, which is not working, and how's the performance and everything in this video. I'm going to share with you. Stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Let's get started with some of the things which you already know about this Oxygen OS if you install it on any of your devices. Like in my case, I've installed it on my Poco X3. First of all, yes, it's Oxygen OS. So yes, Oxygenos Launcher is available with Oxygen OS icon pack. You can customize the wallpapers. The quick settings are just great, like Oxygen OS. Nowadays, Wave OS is one of the cool kind of customers which has the Oxygen OS UI. But right now, we have this option available in Oxygen OS. So if you have a real Oxygen OS available, why to use Wave OS? But some guys will still use Wave OS because of the performance and other things. But this one is quite good. I've installed it on my device and some of the basic features are working perfectly fine. For example, if I go for the screen recorder and try to record screen and the features which you get in the screen recorder, first of all, you need to always click on always agree, click on settings. If you go for the resolution, you can record up to 3840 into 2160, and the 24 Mbps bitrate is supported, and you can record up to 60 fps. You can simply record your screen with 60 fps, which is quite good. This was the screen recorder which you get pre-installed. 90 fps is not enabled, but 60 fps is quite good. The OnePlus shelf, which is updated, which is working perfectly fine. This is looking quite good also. If you're looking for other things, let me share with you some things. It has the app locker and some stuff. This is a thing which some users just wanted to see. This is Oxygen OS and this is CPU throttling test. Let's try out how's the performance. I was not expecting this kind of performance seriously, but yes, the performance is quite good. It's just touching 100%. Many times I tried and testing it from some time. The performance graph is quite good. I've tried it for some of the time, like 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and the performance was still good and was unexpected. But yes, it's good here. You can also try it out on your device, and this is just great in the terms of performance. If you're looking to install this build, you will not regret it. And this is one of the cool kind of things. Also, if you're looking for some other things, it has the Oxygen icon pack which can be customizable by going into Play Store and find out some cool icon packs. But one thing which I disliked about this is like this camera freezing sometimes. Maybe it's just for me, maybe I'm trying another version of Gcam, but the thing which I've noticed is the camera quality difference. Camera quality is not good at all. So if you're looking for camera things, unfortunately this ROM is not for you. Don't use camera because camera quality is seriously super duper bad. I will not recommend you to use Gcams even, because Gcams even are not working in the terms of camera quality. So this is kind of a disappointment, but still other things are quite good. If you want to turn off your device like the vibration mode or silent mode, we have the Internet Sound Tiles app option available. If you look for the settings, yes, it has all those options. If you go for the display settings, we have some interesting features: sleep, screen calibration, and including that we have the screen refresh rate. It doesn't come with the option of 120 Hz, so you need to stick to 90 Hz if you want to use this room. 120 Hz is not even available, so how you will use it? Status validity customizations are available. Customizations, of course, the 3 themes as always which you get in OnePlus devices: wallpapers, clock styles, icon pack, fonts, some things which you can customize without any issue. It also includes the Dolby Atmos, where you can simply choose the dynamic film or music. If you're a music lover, then this might be a very interesting thing for you. Dolby Atmos is available pre-installed. I didn't test it if it is working or not, but it should work definitely. Phone ringtone and vibration and some interesting features which you get in OnePlus devices are perfectly working fine. Like lift up display, I tried that was working perfectly fine, which is quite good. Face lock, fingerprint, everything is working perfectly fine, so this is kind of good. If you compare it with the Redmi Note 8's build, this is quite good. But yes, Redmi Note 8 also got the Android 11 based Oxygenos right now, So still it is Android version 10, which is not bad. The battery backup was very interesting one. I haven't tested any kind of gaming by the way, but still the battery backup is kind of really interesting. If you're looking for the utilities or other features, quick launch, parallel apps, app locker, which is one of my favorite features in a custom room or in any kind of device, app locker is still available there, which is working perfectly fine also. And it also includes very interesting privacy kind of features, privacy and protection and other things. Buttons and gestures also includes the navigation bar and gestures, which includes Android 10 gestures, where you can hide that pill option. The three finger screenshot option is available. It also includes the expanded screenshot option. In this screen, we don't have any kind of thing, so just let me go back. And now here, let's try to take expanded screenshot and see if it is working perfectly fine. And yes, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. You can simply take expanded screenshot, which is working in this Oxygen OS. And here I have the app locker option available, which is working perfectly fine. I've already shared with you a lot of things about this build, which you will definitely love. They loved about this build, and you can install it on your device. And also including that, we have very interesting thing that our safety status is passing without any kind of issue, so you will be able to use the banking apps on your device. This seems to be interesting one. If you are looking to install some banking apps, the safety status is passing. Still some apps will detect root. For that you can simply move on to the Magisk app and hide your Magisk. But by the way, if I wanted to pass the safety status, I have installed the Magisk hide props config Magisk module, which you can also install it. This is not a big issue, but including that, this is just kind of thing. As I previously told you, some apps will definitely get the root access there, some apps will definitely detect root access. So in that case, you need to think about that. You can hide Magisk, you can rename that Magisk manager and some things. So how to install this build? It's a little bit easy. First of all, you need to download three files, and all those files link is in the description. These are three files. One is base one is system one, and the third one is Android 10 based MIUI 12. These three files are required to install this build on your device. So how you can install that? It's quite easy. First of all, let me try to boot into custom recovery. So simply boot into custom recovery, and I will recommend you to use the Orange Fox custom recovery for installation of this build. If you're using any other recovery, it's just up to you, but I will recommend you to use the Orange Fox custom recovery because it's quite advanced. It has some interesting features, and if you don't know which are those features which you get in Orange Fox custom recovery, I have a dedicated video on that. Make sure to check out that, so you'll get an idea that which are the features you get in Orange Fox custom recovery and why it is recommended to use that. So we are booted into custom recovery. What you need to do is you need to simply go to the wipe option, Dolby cache data. These three things, of course, you need to select and click on swipe to wipe. After clicking on swipe to wipe, what you need to do is, I'm not gonna do all these stuff right now. I'm just gonna share with you that some things how you can install this build. As all those three things are done, now you need to select that ROM file. So let me just share with you by going into my location. So here we have all those three files. First of all, what you need to select is Xiaomi EU multi. This is a file which is needed to select, which is Android 10 based MIUI 12 based ROM. This is recommended better to install this. Like after that, you need to install that base option. As you can see, base of gang.zip. And after that, at last, the third thing which you need to install is this system. After installing all these three things, you simply need to reboot your system. If it is not working, you can simply format data. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye.